Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Speak and Thrive and my name is Renu. Today in this video, I want to highlight one single thing that actually matters a lot. And I don't know, everybody is underestimating it a lot. But today in the video, I really want to highlight it. I really want to emphasize it so that you do not make this mistake and instead you take advantage of it. Before starting the video, I would like to request you guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, make sure to subscribe this channel right away for such amazing videos in the future. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. I totally understand that everybody is quite a busy bee. Nobody has enough time to learn, to do their things because someone is studying, someone is doing job. So it is quite understandable. But guys, you need to know one thing, the one fact that you need to understand to thrive in any skill, to learn, to grow in any single skill. Now we are talking about to learn English language, so you must understand this. Although everyone is busy, but most of the people do not skip scrolling. They have enough time for scrolling. It sounds rude, but it is the fact, right? You do not have time. You always complain that I do not have time to practice my English communication skills. So the thing that I want to emphasize is that you need to manage your time. You need to stop scrolling. You need to stop looking for the solution in your phone. Instead, for some separate time, for specific time, you need to decide a specific time from your entire busy day where you do not have any distraction. Even you do not have your phone and you need to read something. So you must start reading something, even a single page, but every day. Be consistent. And that's what I'm going to share with you if you are struggling what to read and how to start. So I have a book for you. I have a recommendation for you. This is a book, Do It Today. And it is super simple. You can start with this book. And if you don't want to start with this book, there is one more book, that is Epic Shit by Ankur Warikoo, and it is super easy. If you're a beginner, you struggle while reading in English, you must start with Epic Shit, or you can go with the Do It Today. These two books are really easy, specially designed for beginners. So if you find this video helpful, if you like my recommendation, do let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.